Hello everyone, this is Rehanna from TNO Early On Child and Family Center. I hope you all are doing well. I'm back again with another fun snack idea that you can try with your child. On my last video, it was about a fun game, Mirror Mirror, which was very much helpful for your child to develop their social and emotional skill. So on that video, I have mentioned following that game, you can do many more fun activities. One of them was making healthy snack. It was the making different facial expression snack. You can say happy face snack or sad face snack. Let's do it. So I'm using bread. So I'm using today the thin sandwich bun. I cut it in half. So for spread, I'm using cream cheese. So let's start. I'm going to spread it on my bread. You can use different kind of spread. You can use hummus. You can use peanut butter if your child is not allergic to nut, or you can use wow butter. It is a substitute of peanut butter. Okay. So for eyes, I can use cherry tomato or grapes. I cut them in half. So let's use cherry tomato for eyes. And for nose, I'm using raisins. You can see. And for mouth, I'm using orange pepper. You can use red pepper too. So for hair, I'm using shredded carrot. So this is a very fun way to help them to learn different emotions. As you know, that the social emotional skills learning is very important for your preschooler, for your toddler, because it will help them to understand and manage different emotion, and also it will help them to express their emotion in a healthy manner. So there are many other benefits included. So can you see the happy face? So I already have made the sad face, and to make it more fun, you can use sunflower seeds for tears. I'm pretty sure your child would love to do that. Look at that. Oh. He's crying, he's sad. So I have happy face and I have a sad face. So just use your imagination. Hope you have enjoyed this video. I will come back with more fun ideas for you. So that's it for today. So keep watching our video and please give us your feedback about our video. So till then, stay home, stay safe, be positive, do more exercise, eat healthy. Bye bye everyone. See you soon.